Should be this one. But I didn't. How much is to cut there? Alright guys, I just changed my mind. I want to look for another one, for another barber shop. Let's see if it's cheaper. Wow, it doesn't finish to be steep, this road. Really, look like we're going to the moon, guys. Oh boy, so lively this zone. Michimi. Alright, now we're gonna go in a zone called Kadikoy, which, if I'm not mistaken, we went yesterday already at night. And it was all dark, so it's better that we go again. And I want to show you, because if it's like yesterday night, the vibe was really amazing and mesmerizing. So I look forward to show it to you today with the sun. Let's go. You live, by the way, here in this zone, guys. Look, it's a residential zone. Look how calm it is. Looks really nice, this zone. We are close to the Galata Tower, by the way. So one of the most prominent, famous landmark of Istanbul, Turkey or Turkiye. Such a relief to walk downhill, guys. Oh boy, love it. I really, this was one of the hardest trip walking tour of my life. Look at this, an Italian place, Etna. You're Italian? You're Italian?
No.
No, I saw Italian, I'm Italian. Yeah. Nice, thank you. Etna, volcano, guys, in Sicily. Oh boy, I forgot about this road now. We don't have space to walk here. And the cars are coming uphill. Oh boy, look how big is this. Where I have to stay now? Okay, I stay on the left. Let's go now. Even downhill is hard, this road. I'm speechless, really. I think the easiest way to go downhill on this road is to roll, guys, like a ball. Look, if you just put yourself like a ball, you can roll here. This is the magic of Istanbul. But I'm really scared to sleep here, you know, because it's really downhill now and the cars are coming. Look how hard it is for cars even to go up. Wow, you really need a lot of torque here to go uphill. Theoretically we need to cross there, but we can do it there actually, yeah. I think in this road we might find some baklava, guys. What do you think? Yeah? Well, there is a doner here already, but we might find some baklava, probably. Wow, look how nice that mural is. You want some Italian brands, guys? Campione. Found another brand Italian. Burekici. This makes burek, but where is the baklava? This is what I'm looking for. Why people are going and it's not green yet? Let's wait. I think we are in the middle, guys. Let me stay up. I thought it would get green, you know, soon, but it doesn't. Yeah. Here we are. Let's go. Let's go. In 2 minutes we should be in this Kadykoy, which apparently is famous for what is famous actually? Let me check. Because I wrote it, guys. Kadykoy. Once a dockyard, now a hip waterfront neighborhood full of cafes, street art and Istanbul vibrant energy. ChatGPT, guys, writes it very poetically, yeah, like a poem. But I think, and I'm sure it's nice, this one. Is this Kadykoy? Mikel, I know Mikel is a Greek brand, like Starbucks from Greece. You see that? Mikel coffee. Okay. So Greeks brought some brands here in Turkey. Okay. Fantastic. Let's go, guys. Here they make the sandwich with mackerel. Actually, I don't feel for it now. I told you I feel for sweets. But I don't know where is the baklava here. Kunefe. Okay. Kunefe is a sweet, if I'm not mistaken. So we might go there. Check it out. Can we cross here, you think? Let's go and check this out, guys. Hello. You have baklava with walnuts, no? Walnuts, okay. Walnuts. 2 pieces with walnuts, 2 pieces with pistachio. You put sherbet or not? Sherbet you put? A lot or not? I like with a lot. With a lot? Okay, good. I sit here. Çok sherbet, a lot. Yeah? Thank you, not dry. I'm Albanian, man. I know baklava. Okay, good, guys. 2 with pistachio and 2 with walnuts. And I told them to put a lot of sherbet. Let's see. I think it's coming, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Looks very good. Look at this. Wow. Guys, look how good this looks. Wow. I'm sure this one is really good, guys. I'm sure we found an amazing place. Let's try. Let's try first that one with pistachio. Yeah, they have a lot of sherbet, guys. It's good. Good. Very, very good. And I think it's also fresh because it's not so, how can I say, crunchy, which I don't like when it's super crunchy. Really good. I could live out of baklava, guys. I could eat it every day, but as you can imagine, I can't because it's super caloric and it's super hard to find anyway. So yeah, around in Europe, in the world, a good one. I mean, let's try now the one with the walnuts, guys. The one I grew up with. With pistachio is good, but with walnuts is super my taste. Of course, someone else might prefer the one with pistachio. Super good. I think we found a hidden gem, guys, which is not so hidden, by the way, because I told you this Kadikoy is really like one of the most popular zones in Istanbul, if I understood good from Google, and it's super good, this baklava. I love it. Not dry, the right sherbet, so not super wet. Really nice. So good that I ordered another 4, so with pistachio and so with walnuts. Double it down. I love it. They are super addictive, this baklava, for me at least. One of my favorite sweets. And we are in the city of baklava, in the country of baklava. I think the city is Gaziantep, which is more in the south, more on the east as well, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, but I mean, they know how to make it here in Turkey, in Istanbul. So yeah. I have here, brother. I have.
Change?
No. Thank you. Other 2. Other 4, guys. Other 4. Amazing. Let's dig in. Alright, guys, is 680. So baklava, 4 baklava, 8. Good. Alright, let me pay with cash and I will be back in a bit. 680, that's roughly 15 euros. Really good quality of baklava here. Fantastic. I think I forgot to show you the Turkish lira, guys. This is 20 Turkish lira, which is roughly 1 euro if I remember good. And here there is, I think, Turk. Is it? I don't know. Anyway, looks really nice, this currency. There are on the front of the back 2 different characters of the Turkish, I guess, unification. Really nice currency. Alright, guys, let's go. Thank you. Thank you, Icho. Let's go left, guys, and we're gonna go now to the Galata Tower. Super hot here. Vamos. Straight 10 minutes. Vamos. This is one of the most famous landmarks. I told you, the Galata Tower. Guys, I think the Galata Tower is that one. Now it's passing the bus, but I think it's that one. Wow. Okay. Do we really need to do that steep road again? I hope not. I don't know. As we suspected, as we thought, we need to go uphill there, guys. Because the tower is there, of course we need to go uphill. So we were right. Okay. Let's see if we can do it. Oh boy, look at this. It's even slippery here. It's not like the other one, like asphalt. It's the old part indeed. If I remember good, where there are these things, like, I don't know how you call it in English, is the old town. And indeed, this Galata Tower is super old. Playing. And the mother is there, I guess. Hello. Oh boy. Some Italian music, guys. Ooh. Out of breath, I can't speak even. Let's go this way. Yeah, left here. And we should arrive. Galata Tower. From here you can already see it actually. Wow, there are a lot of shops here. Mostly I think are for tourists.